come on, come on, come on. I'm feeling good, but it's tough.
Good work.
Great work. Great work. It's tough though.
Good.
It's tough. It's tough. Anybody tell you the chef is real? Chef is real already.
It's your boy, two-time Super Bowl champ, here with my dog, Beast Mode Chef. We're finna get cooking up in the lab.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jess Brittany from Houston, Texas. OMG, it was intense.
It was very challenging.
Very challenging.
Very challenging, but it's very rewarding when I complete something so hard. That's so new to me. I worked out at a gym before, I told you, and I had a personal trainer, but I never worked as hard as I am now.
Are we making progress?
We're making progress.
Hey, what's good? It's your boy, the Beast Mode Chef, the Superset King.
Top level training. Since I've been here for going on a year. Been working out with the chef for a year. I started at the bottom, you know, and I'm still got work to do. Been working out with the chef. The meals they're not easy, but he started you off at your level, and once you start off your level, he'll take you to the next level. So if you want to come and get that best work, if you want to come and look good, you want to look your best. Not only look your best, but feel your best. Not only for yourself, but also for your family. And if you want to get that work, you just come to the to Body X. And also you can go on Repetition Diner and get that work as well.
OMG, it was intense, but I definitely feel better, and my body feels a lot better. Yes, I'm sweating hard. My gluteus maximus burning. Like I'm feeling like I want more. Feed me more.
The Beast Mode Chef.
I'm ready for more, but not today.
So that's where I feel like you're gonna be one or two things. Either you're gonna be a trainer or you're gonna be a fitness salesman. That's what I call them. You sell fitness.
That's it.
You ain't no trainer.
Yeah.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous.
That notepad. How many notepads do you have, bro? Just out of curiosity.
I got a few trash bags full. And every single notepad is full of workouts.
I guarantee you right now, you can't find a trainer that'll say that.
No, they can't. I know fitness. Can't nobody tell me. I don't care how many certifications you got.
Right.
I've been in the trenches so long.
Right.
I know what someone's going through while I'm training.
And not about the results that they bring.
They could care less about the client. They could care less about the client's results. Whoever sells the most personal training will be voted as the best trainer or top trainer. You born with it.
You born with it?
Yeah. I feel like can't nobody teach you heart. Can't nobody teach you willpower. It's either in you or it's not.